Popup Orbis is a small footprint multitasking research application, part of the Nota Bene workstation suite. Popup Orbis automatically and instantaneously creates several text bases. These are databases of qualitative data, gathering the entire contents of the user's most frequently needed files and folders. This happens from the moment the Nota Bene suite is initially opened, and it makes their contents, therefore, instantly searchable. But in addition to fulfilling its role as a data search and retrieval engine, Popup Orbis is equally used for tagging documents with Orbis keywords and special Orbis keywords. Orbis keywords significantly enhance research because searches yield more powerful results, going well beyond the actual text contained in documents. This is done by tagging regions of documents, usually paragraphs, with terms that summarize concepts, ideas, and any other content classification keys to aid in the search and retrieval process. Popup Orbis alphabetically orders the lists of naturally occurring keywords, along with the list of special keywords, which are preceded with either a hashtag or an @ sign. Any of these are freely entered into the documents. Users find it particularly useful to tag note-taking documents which are associated with bibliographic records that are located in their IBIDIM databases. This tutorial focuses on tagging a note-taking file with special Orbis keywords using the @ character. Using my IBIDIM database, I'll open a note-taking file created from one of its records. On the word processor, I'll click on the Popup Orbis icon to open the application. For this example, I'll work with my text base named Research. Click on the icon depicting a set of keys, and that will present the Orbis keyword vocabulary view of my research text base. I'll also select the @ Keywords tab to list the @Orbis keywords I have entered in the past. As letters are typed in the query entry box, the alphabetic list scrolls up or down looking for an existing @ keyword. In this example, I'll be entering a two-word query, public sphere. You can see that the Orbis keyword public already exists and is highlighted. This means that when I click on the arrow file button, the word public with an @ sign ahead of it will be entered into the query box. And then I'll type the word sphere. The entire string will then go into a little non-printing icon at the start of the paragraph, which is my selected location. The other option is to insert the tagged keywords at the cursor's location. I'll enter two additional keywords that evoke for me the paragraph's contents, and they are reactionary and democracy. Notice that I can also double-click on a highlighted keyword in the vocabulary list and have it entered into the query entry box. Note also that each tag goes into its own small icon, but that the accumulation of icons does not take up any more space on the screen. The contents of each tag can be found by placing the cursor on it, and the contents are revealed. Now, let's go on and conduct a search. To find keywords, click on the Search View icon. I'll type the word public in the query entry box, and then I'll click on the AND Boolean connector, since I am searching for the string public sphere. And I finish by typing the word sphere. Clicking on the Enter button launches the search. Popup Orbis presents the list of instances where the string public sphere is found. I already know the name of the file that I just finished tagging, so I'll save time by scrolling to it. The search yields the passages that include the string public sphere as it appears both in the text of the documents and as Orbis keywords identified by the NT/8 annotation marker. You can either open the entire file by clicking on the lens icon or insert the tagged paragraph into another document with the arrow icon. And for this illustration, I'll open the file and then I'll highlight the paragraph that I had tagged with the string public sphere. This concludes the tutorial.